to the crafting and a thrifting vlog and the whole try on.
Okay, first outfit, nice strong one. So this little dress I found in BH Mart, but it was upstairs where they have the posher stuff. So this was on a rail with 15 ringgit dresses and jackets, and I actually bought it at the same time as that beautiful linen coat with the big creamy off-white flowers on it, the sort of 60s style one. And they're both sort of that similar style where it sort of like comes up over the bust and then hangs down. I think that's a very popular style in Korea, a lot of Asia in fact, sort of a very cutesy mummy look. And I never felt that that was something that I could really get away with, but now I've got much less bust, I'm not feeling so uncomfortable about it. And this dress has got so many nice features. It's got this beautiful broderie anglaise or cutwork or eyelet lace on the sleeves, and then it's got a net overlayer that's got lovely cotton embroidery on it, and then the top is linen and the bottom is linen underneath, so really nice. And I've just put a plain navy linen skirt underneath. This was a Kingsbridge one, and then a little pair of dark blue shoes. It's a sort of soft navy. It's not navy, it's a sort of almost a Prussian blue, I think I might describe this as, a sort of a bluey grey. Now this scarf is actually a Jim Thompson scarf. Now he was the pioneer in silk that was based in Thailand that mysteriously vanished, but his stuff is just exquisite and highly desirable. And this was a gift donated by a friend of mine who's moving, Hilary, thank you very much. And I thought that the blue matched perfectly, but also then these pinky purple orchids on it pulled down the colour from my hair. The scarf around my head is also donated by Hilary, and I just, again, it's just that lovely sort of Prussian blue, bluey grey, very soft, very pretty. So I think the whole thing comes together as an outfit. I've put on my handmade dark royal blue metallic bug with the matching earrings. I made these a couple of months back now, but they're not, again, because they're so bold, they're not something that I can wear with everything. They have to have the right outfit. And I do genuinely think that this outfit works with them very nicely. So let me give you another twirl. What do we think? I think this is just nice, just so nice. Lacy, but not frilly, if you know what I mean. There's a difference between frilly and lacy. This is lacy without being frou-frou. And I really like it. This is a very practical, very nice, very smart dress. 15 ringgit, come on. So that's under £3. You really can't complain at that. You really can't complain. But this is, as I said, really lovely. Really, really nice. And a little bit of Jim Thompson silk. Gotta love it. Okay, so that is my first outfit, and I'm happy as can be. So, this outfit. Now you may notice some discrepancies between the photographs and the outfit, because we filmed it all through once, and then it was weird because the lighting for the first one was fine, second one terrible, third one fine, fourth one terrible. Don't know what's going on with the lighting. We constantly try new things to try and make it better, but you know, it doesn't always work, and the last one definitely didn't work. So I've come back again, so you might notice like it's a different ring, different bracelet, but you know, same outfit. So here we go. skirt, 12 ringgit. This was BH, but this is the one that was an hour away, right across the other side of the city. Had to go there to see whether it was better than our local one at Pecananis, and the answer is no. But I did find this skirt and I did find this top. Now this is one of those net tops, again the double layer, but with this one I did leave the navy blue layer underneath it because it's very sheer, but it had a polar neck and I chopped out the collar because I really don't need polar necks in this country. But I did love this fabric. I feel it almost feels like I've got like tattoo sleeves. But I just love the colour mix, the teals, the blues, the browns, the sort of coppers. Really, really attractive. The skirt's nice and flowy. So and the top was $2.99. So $2.99 is nothing. It's 50 pence. The only problem I have with the skirt is that black elastic thing that they do. I really hate that. But anyway, it's a nice flowy skirt. I put it with the navy blue waistcoat just to make it look smart. And all my beautiful jewellery that I just made with my agate cicada, carved cicada with the agate drops, little pearls, matching necklace at the top here, which is a separate necklace. And then I had the thought, 4 o'clock in the morning, I thought to myself, oh, that trick I was talking about where you add in the brooch, and I've got a cicada brooch that's all the colours that are in the top. So I put a cicada brooch through a pearl strand that I'd made. So I have cicadas, and then the little drop earrings to match. So quite pleased with this little grouping. I think it works very nicely, especially with this outfit that's got all the right colours in it. Gives it a pop of brightness. So there's the outfit. Quite smart, but a little bit funky. Just a little bit, a little bit interesting. Not too boring. And smashing colours. Really, this colour here just feeds my heart, feeds my senses, makes me feel good. Okay. I like to throw you a curveball sometimes. I have never owned a pair of cargo pants in my life, but now I do. So, any excuse to wear this jacket, because come on, this jacket is just bloody gorgeous. Although I did have another top that I liked just as much with it, a black one with purple flowers on it, but this is the one I went with just because I have to get as much wear out of this as possible. This is by a Cross, absolutely love it, burnt out, gorgeous, lovely. This is a TU from back in England. Can't remember how much it was, but it was probably very, very cheap. Although England's never cheap by Malaysian standards. And these were 5 ringgit, so under £1. I just thought they were fun. My daughter pulled such faces when I picked these up. She was just like rolling her eyes in every direction and giving me evils. But I thought, it's £1. I'm just going to try it. I'm just going to give it a go. I love the colour. Why not? And do you know what? I would wear these. I absolutely would. If I have to do something that's sort of casual and relaxed and chill and I need to run around, these are it, really. What's not to like? Gorgeous colour, 4 pockets, 2 at the top, 2 on the legs. I don't think, has anybody ever stuck anything in the leg pockets of their cargo pants? I don't think they ever have. But, they're there if I need them. So, bargain, I say. Bargain for under £1. I put them with my sparkly sliders. I'm sure I've got to find something else that I need to sparkle soon. I have more sparkle to use. I just got to find the right thing to do it on. Homemade jewellery again. My bugs with the Indonesian wings. and the matching earrings. I pick things up wherever I go when I'm travelling, and then I transform them into jewellery that I'm going to wear, usually involving a bug, but not always. Sometimes slumped glass, depends what my projects I'm into at the moment. So, third outfit, and still strong, I say. Still strong. What do you think? Would you wear cargo pants? I mean, the thing is, I'm quite a dressy up person, so for me to choose something, although having said that, of course, this is still quite dressy up. With this jacket, it's still quite dressy up. But fun and funky dressy up. So the last outfit, and I've saved it to last for a reason. Very bright indeed. Let's hope you enjoy it. Okay, so refilming of the final one. Let's hope our lights are better this time. Dorothy Perkins skirt, brought back from England, charity shop, can't remember where, very long time ago, but I've always liked this one. I think it's quite flattering. It goes down in tiers and comes to a point, makes you look nice and slim. This top came from B&H, $2.99. No, this was in my 99 cent haul. B&H 99 cent haul. So this was 18 pence. Lovely shade of pink. It's longer at the back, shorter at the front. And I put it with this scarf, which I found in JJJ for 5 ringgit. I feel that this ties in the other shades of pink in the skirt and brings the pinks through. Then also adds a bit of that green, so you're not too pink. And I do love a bit of green. Mixed it with my pink bug necklace and these absolutely stonking earrings by Butler and Wilson that I've had forever and absolutely adore. They're just so over the top and fabulous. But you know, I'm a big girl, I can carry it off. So, we have pink rings as well, just to, you know, top icing on the cherry. So this is a Venetian heart ring that I bought in Venice on Valentine's so many years ago, I can't remember. That's quite a funny story, that we went off to Venice for our Valentine's, and we were so excited, and we walked all. My husband has a habit of marching me for miles and miles, and I'm quite happy to go along, and we went for miles and miles. We got lost many a time and circled back and eventually got back to the hotel, and we were supposed to get washed and changed and ready to go out for a very romantic dinner for Valentine's, and we both fell asleep, and when we woke up, Valentine's was over. But we had a good day. But this is my memory of that funny story. You see, jewelry's like that. It takes you back to a time and a place so that you remember those things. And that really was, it was just one of those days. It was one of those days. You go all that way to Venice and then sleep through it. But hey, you know, life went on. So, I think this is a very cheerful, very upbeat, very sending out endorphins left, right and centre, this one. Happy pink outfit. I hope you like it. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my selection. Come back next week. Come back on Wednesday. I try to put things out whenever I can. There's lots of creativity going on now on the run up for Halloween. Have a watch, see what I'm up to. Join me on my Facebook page if you'd like to, The Crafty Nana on Facebook. I'm there. Come share with me. And in the meantime, have an absolutely brilliant week. Enjoy yourself. Be as creative as you possibly can. That's what it's all about. Don't let your life pass you by without actually spending some time creating things, because it makes you feel so much better. Makes you feel good when you make something and it works and you love it. Hence all my crazy jewellery. I get a lot of pleasure from it. I enjoy creating things. I get better as I go along. What's not to like? See you next week. Bye for now from the Crafty Manor.
If you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Bye for now.